Hey everyone, Ashley here. Want to go over comprehensive and collision coverage on your auto insurance policy. Comprehensive, anything other than you hitting something or something hitting you. So think theft, vandalism, hail, fire, all of those types of things, a tree falling on it. That's going to be covered under your comprehensive. Collision is going to be if you hit something or something hits you. You have your deductible, so that's the amount that you're responsible for, and then the insurance company is going to pay for the rest. For example, if it's a $2,000 claim, you have a $500 deductible, you're going to get $1,500 in the event of that claim. So, do I need the coverage? Especially if my vehicle is paid off, because if you have a loan on the vehicle, the lender is always going to require you to have that coverage so they protect their assets. But if you own the vehicle outright, then it's important to look at the value of the vehicle. For example, if your vehicle's worth $1,000 and you have a $1,000 deductible, if you total your vehicle, you're not going to get anything. So you always want to have a look at that. It's also really important to look at how much is the insurance company charging you for having just the comprehensive and the collision coverage. Because if you're paying a lot of money, let's say you're paying $500 a year for collision coverage, then you may be able to save money by increasing that deductible to $1,000 or $1,500. However, if you're not paying much, which I see all the time, but you still have a $1,000 deductible, let's say you're paying $70 for collision coverage and you have a $1,000 deductible, if you lower that deductible to, let's say, $500 or $250, your price may only go up to $80 or $90 a year. So you'll pay an extra $20 or $30 a year, but in the event that you have a claim, you're going to save $500 or $750. So that's always something that I look at, is that figure on your declarations page. That figure next to the coverage will tell you how much you're paying for that. And from there, you can get an idea of, okay, that's a lot. If I lower it, I'm going to pay significantly more, so it may not be worth it. Or, hey, that's really not much. Let's lower it, and I could save a lot of money in the event of a claim. All right, hope you found that helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll do my best, and I'll see you next time.